Hey there, my name is Wala and welcome to my tutorial. In this tutorial, I want to tell you how to calculate age in Microsoft Excel and Google Sheets. Before going to the tutorial, don't forget to subscribe in my channel. You will find many other nice and simple tutorials in this channel. Here I have two birth dates and I want to calculate the age for each person. So I click on this one. And then here, which is for formula, I type equal. The function which can help me in this regard is Datedif. Datedif. And then by opening parentheses, I can type some arguments here. What are those arguments? You can hover the mouse on this one to have help by clicking on that. Here you can have some helps. So let's see the arguments. Datedif. First we need start date, which is this one, and end date, which is today, because I want to calculate the age. And then the last argument is unit. What is unit? It can be year, it can be month, it can be day, and other things which you can read here. Okay? So the first parameter is a start day. I can click on this one, very good, and then comma, and today. Because this is function, I need to have one opening parentheses and closing parentheses. And then unit, which is year here. Between double quotation, I can type Y. Very good, that's it. This way you can calculate the age. And if you want to have the month this way, and if you want to calculate the number of days this way, you can use it. This is very easy, isn't it? On Google Sheet, you can have the same formula, exactly the same formula. So let's do it there. For example, you have this date, and here you can say Datedif, exactly the same. This one, comma, today, and Y. But as you see, the format needs correction, so I can use this one and number. And by clicking on this one, I can decrease decimal places. That's it. If you want to give me energy to have more simple tutorials like this, please do not forget to subscribe in my channel and hit that like button and leave me a comment.